Choose safety with Liion Tamer. When it comes to lithium-ion energy systems, safety is paramount. But accidents can happen. You've seen the headlines. There are ways to prevent and not just suppress a catastrophic battery fire. Liion Tamer off-gas monitoring allows situational awareness to provide early warning when time matters most. Lithium-ion batteries can be the perfect solution for many of the energy challenges our world faces today, but the technology is inherently flammable, which has led to widespread concerns about the safety of the batteries. Safeguarding your batteries begins with understanding how batteries can fail, the stages of battery failure. Battery failure can be triggered by several types of abuse: thermal, such as overheating; electrical, such as overcharging; and mechanical abuse. The next stage is off-gas generation, which occurs significantly before thermal runaway. Then, smoke generation occurs, which means thermal runaway has started and catastrophic failure is imminent. Fire generation often takes place simultaneously with smoke generation, where propagation of the failure becomes significantly more likely. So let's look more closely at off-gas generation. It can occur anywhere from 2 to 30 minutes before smoke generation and thermal runaway. Off-gas generation happens as a battery cell begins to fail. Electrolytes break down and generate gas. This gas causes an internal pressure buildup, which ultimately is released from the cell in an off-gas event. Knowing when this event occurs allows time to prevent or mitigate a battery failure. Advanced diagnosis of lithium-ion battery systems means early warnings before a fire occurs. Current solutions don't help until it's too late, often at smoke or fire detection. Liion Tamer is a new line of products designed to make battery storage systems safer, to provide earlier warning through smarter sensing. Liion Tamer works at the second stage, the interval between off-gas generation and smoke, to stop thermal runaway before it ever gets started. An off-gas monitor is placed at each battery rack to monitor off-gas events. It can detect a single-cell battery failure in a typical open-air battery rack. When failing lithium-ion batteries emit off-gas, Liion Tamer can detect this precursor before the cell fails. Now there's time to take preventative action. So what would you do with the extra time? Protect your people, property, and brand. Choose safety with Liion Tamer and stop battery failure before it even gets started.